And just quickly guys, if you don't have to keep spending hours grinding out these glitches, you might want to check out the newly released credit offers between 100 million to 1 billion for PS5 and also Xbox and PC. And if you guys are wondering what I'm talking about Mitch. You might want to go in and check out my bio, where they're completely safe and legitimate, and even offer preloaded profiles with rare cars, hundreds of millions of credits, and more. With instant delivery, over 15,000 verified Trustpilot reviews, and you can also use code MJ to save. Go ahead and head to the comment section if you want to learn more.